Overwatch copy.
Transforming now.
Autobots, transform and roll out. There you are. Thank you for the warm welcome. Your adulations are much appreciated. But please, not to give you unease, I must inform you that Megatron has been spotted in this vicinity. His objective, to hide the Allspark and bring with it the ruination of planet Earth and all her people. I am Optimus Prime, and with your help, we will defeat Megatron and drive those Decepticons off this planet. But let us not do it alone. Only the most trusted allies can join. And now I would like to introduce to you Bumblebee. Please give an equally warm welcome to Bumblebee. I would say that is sufficient. Bumblebee, it is great to see you, as always. Seeing you here, I know that we are trusted to ensure the safety of planet Earth. Well then, Nest Command, if you're giving them their safety briefings, I'll leave it to you. Let us begin this recruitment process.
You guys cannot please stay in the recruit zone, not past the strike line.
Oh, you got it now. Oh, you have your compatriot with you.
That's my true love.
This is your time, my friend. Be sure to show it off so we can all see it.
You mean my colors matches you, Optimus Prime?
It does indeed. The white trim, the red, the blue, these are virtuous colors on Cybertron. I'm glad and honored to have met with you. You stand here, and you serve House Prime well. This is excellent work.
Thank you, Optimus Prime.
The beginning of a beautiful friendship.
And you too, Bumblebee.
Proud to call you ally.
I'm with the Freedom Fighters.
Thank you, my friend.
Have
You
a
are
good
the
day.
greatest freedom fighter we've met.
Marilyn Monroe? Is that her? Boy, am I happy to see her. Long time no see. I gotta wait until my turn after that girl.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
Hello.
How have you been?
Doing okay. Oh, I'm next.
How you doing?
Hi, Marilyn Monroe.
Hi.
Long time no see.
Oh, it's been a minute, hasn't it? How you been doing?
It's been, a few years. So,
A couple of years?
yeah.
Yeah, you don't look any older. You look youthful and beautiful.
You mean I'm still young?
You look great.
Oh, if you don't remember my name, it's me, Wynonna Woodpecker.
Of course I remember you, darling. Love the red hair you've had today.
Thanks. Well, before here, I just met Pachito, the 3 Caballeros in Disney California Adventure.
Oh, how is that?
I'm the biggest fan of the 3 Caballeros since they are the most handsomest bird band of all time.
You know, I haven't actually seen that movie. Maybe we could see it together. What do you think?
Of course, Donald Duck is the lead.
Donald Duck.
Yeah, he's the lead.
Gee.
You know,
We'll have to watch it together. I'll bring some popcorn. Maybe a
sure
blanket
thing.
together. Huh?
Of course, Panchito. He's my handsome Prince Charming of Mexico.
Oh, how delightful. Very elegant. Should we get a picture together, darling?
Oh, it's a video.
Hi. I love a good movie. I didn't memorize any lines, though.
It's okay. We can talk like normally.
Sure.
And tonight, I can wait to get to my Uncle Woody Woodpecker's house for dinner. Family dinner party.
What are you going to have?
I don't know, but it's going to be a surprise dinner that Uncle Woody's going to be making.
Oh, it sounds delicious.
Of course, I love my family so much. It's even the 3 Caballeros that I let them join me and my family.
They're family now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, how do I become part of the family?
I don't know what to say, but you might realize it's part of love.
Oh, I love that.
Family
I
is love.
Well, it was a pleasure to see you, dear darling.
Okay.
See you again later, okay?
You too. Have a good day. Wow. It's so good to see Marilyn Monroe. I'm surprised he doesn't know anything about the three caballeros, but don't worry. She said she'll see them very soon, or anytime. And of course, I can assure you Panchito is doing real good. I'm surprised I got this number, so we can talk to each other whenever he's not busy. Hi, ScoobyDoo. Long time no see. Of course, I miss you too. Oh, I just got here from Disneyland. You know, I'm transferred here, and now I'm happy to be back here. Oh, and that's Panchito. I'm the biggest fan of the three caballeros. Donald, Jose Carioca, and Panchito. They're the most handsomest birds I ever loved to be their biggest fan. And of course, my favorite is Panchito. Apparently, Panchito and I were dating. He's my Valentine. Since he's my Valentine, that means he's become my boyfriend, my handsome Prince Charming of Mexico. You know what happened? It's my first time falling in love. I never had boyfriends and dates before, and now I found Panchito. It's my first time falling in love, and I never felt like this before. It makes my heart like this. And you know what did I do when I first see Panchito? I go like this. And of course he's handsome. And of course we have red hair. That's why he and I were matching, even though he's not a woodpecker, but he's a rooster I love. The handsome roosters than any rooster guys I could love. Okay, ready for the pose? Okay. Hi, thank you. I hope you and your gang will have a good day. I gotta get to my Uncle Woody's for his dinner party in his house, the tree house. Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta fly right now. See ya. What a day. Phew. I gotta close the sweater right now. I'm so lucky that my blue sweater really matches my body. It feels like blending in. Boy, what a wonderful day. Even though I'm sad I didn't get to the Toadstool Cafe, can't find the mystery gang, not even seeing Poppy, Donkey, Shrek, Fiona, but at least I finally get to meet Scooby, Mario, Luigi, and Pete, and Snowball, and more characters. Boy, I'm just getting exhausted right now. Oh, right now, I think it's time for me to go home. I better get to my Uncle Woody Woodpecker's treehouse just for the family dinner. You know, the dinner party tonight. And of course, I'm going to invite the three caballeros, Donald Duck, Jose Carioca, and my handsome Panchito. I bet Panchito will love whatever food my Uncle Woody Woodpecker is going to make something for him. That's something special. But I'll help Uncle Woody to make tacos and Mexican food, so Panchito always loved Mexican food, so I'll do anything for him to keep him happy. If he makes me happy, I'll make him happy too. That's what true loves do for each other. And so, that's all the time for today. I gotta go right now, in a flash. Goodbye, everyone!
And remember, everyone, the happiness never ends. Have a good time. Goodbye.